Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal account. This is super useful if you want to keep some balance ready for online shopping, sending money, or just to make your transactions faster without waiting for bank transfers. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account. Once you're inside, look at the home screen under your balance. You'll see an option that says Transfer Money. Go ahead and click on that dot now on the next page. You'll see different transfer options. What you want to click is Add Money to your balance. At this point, PayPal will ask you how much you want to transfer from your linked bank account. Just type in the amount you'd like to move. For example, maybe you want to add $50, $100, or more. It's completely up to you. After typing in the number, hit the Add button. Next, PayPal will show you a confirmation screen. Double the amount. Make sure it's coming from the correct linked bank account, and when everything looks good, click Add Your Amount to finish, and that's it. Your transfer is now on the way. Keep in mind, adding money from your bank to PayPal is totally free, but it usually takes a couple of business days for the funds to arrive in your PayPal balance. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see the updated balance on your home page, and you can use it right away for shopping, payments, or sending money to friends and family. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more easy step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.